Okay, cool. First things first, to download the MetaTrader platform, you have to go to your Play Store. I'm using iOS for iPhone, so I don't know if they're going to be the same as an Android. But go to your Play Store and search for MetaTrader. Let's say MetaTrader 4 in this case. Okay, let's start with MetaTrader 4. If you want to, you can download the MetaTrader 5. So right here, as you can see, says MetaTrader 4. You download man. Let's just wait for this to complete downloading. Good. Then you open it and you'll be redirected. I don't want them to send notifications. Yes, open a demo account and it's loading. And right in front of you, you can see that this thing was going to show up on your screen. This is your market watch. This is where all your instruments will show up. If you want to trade the Euro USD, you just click on the Euro USD and click on charts, and it will show you this. This thing that's at the bottom here with this blue line, it's an RSI indicator, but we do not want this in this case. We want to learn pure price action. So you'll click on this line here, this line that divides the upper chart and the bottom chart, and basically remove that. So once you're in, let's say you want to trade this now. So you click on trade, and if you want to buy or you want to sell, you click whichever one you want. And just like that, your trade will be on. If you want to check your running trades, here at the bottom, you can see it says here charts, and then it says trade. You click on trade, and as you can see, here's a trade that we placed. And this is a demo account. The balance is 100,000, as you can see there. So this is a trade that we just placed. It's going to show up there on trade. If you want to see the history of the trades that you've placed before, you just click on history at the bottom. It's going to show you everything. Right now we have not closed any trades, so nothing is showing up here. So this blank black space here, all the trades that have been placed before are going to show up there. And settings is where if you want to add your account, a real account and whatnot. Basically, I don't know how it's going to show up on Android, but on iPhone it shows out like this. And you just click on new account and you log into an existing account, and you'll basically search for the broker that you want, and that's when you're ready to trade on your real account. But now you are still going to focus on practicing how to use the MetaTrader platform. Now let's check out the instruments that you can use. If you're looking at the top of the screen, there are different time frames here. Time frames is when you're doing top-down analysis, but we'll talk about that when you get more understanding on trading. So these are different time frames. If you want a 1 minute time frame, you just click 1 minute. It's going to show that. 5 minutes, it's going to show that. 15, it's going to show the same thing. In fact, it's not the same thing. Now this thing here is when you want to identify the exact place where price action is. As you can see here, between the numbers is blank. So in order to see the values of the numbers that are in between, you just click on that cross there. It's going to show you everything that you need. All you have to do is just click on that cross. If you want to remove it, you just click on it again. And if you click on this thing that looks like a F, this is your windows for your moving averages. But you'll see that on the next chapter, how to set your moving average or your other indicators. Like the one that we removed when we started, you basically find it here. It's an RSI, so you'll basically look for an RSI here. There it is, a relative strength index. That's an RSI. This here is one we're going to use the most. You just click on this object with the boxes and circles and triangles. Here you'll find your trend lines. So you basically click there and you click on the line that you want to use. If you want a trend line, you click on the diagonal line and just tap on your screen and drag it all over the screen. If you want to identify trend lines, if you want a horizontal line, you'll click there again, and this is a horizontal line. You'll just place it where you want to. Horizontal line move up and down. Trend lines, they can move in any direction. All you have to do is to, if you want to move it up, drag it all the entire line, you click on the center, you drag it all over. If you want to make it taller or shorter, you click on one end and drag, make it taller, make it shorter. If you want to make it stick, you just click on the line. And if you want more instruments, you just click here on this arrow on top of these things here, which says add objects. You just click on this right there, and you'll see all the other things that you need to add here. And that is basically how you use MetaTrader. So if you want to go back to your market watch, you click right there on quotes and it will send you back. If you want to add an instrument, you click on this pencil. Oh, sorry, this is when you want to delete an instrument. So you click on this pencil, you click on the object that on an instrument that you want to delete, and basically delete that thing. Click on that rubbish bin there. And if you want to add, you click on the plus. It says here forex, you just click on forex. You just click on the plus that's next to it. You click, you click, you click. It'll just add you automatically just by clicking there. So yeah, that's basically how you use MetaTrader platform. When you're clicking on that advanced, it's, as you can see, I click there, it's going to show the market watch in a different way. It's going to show more details, but me, I just like to keep it simple because I don't want a lot of things happening at the same time. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you understand how to use the MetaTrader platform.